Hey guys, if you're looking for a way to quickly ramp up your business, if you're having a little bit of a slow time, or even if you're not, and you want to lead generate in a really simple, easy, organic way, let me give you the 20 messages a day strategy. The 20 messages a day strategy is very, very simple. I'm going to use my social media account. You can pick your one, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. I'm going to go to my friends list, my following, my group, my audience, and I'm just going to pick 20 people. And I'm generally just going to start at the A's and work my way down, or start at the Z's and work my way up. But I'm going to click on each individual profile of those 20 different people. I'm going to find something interesting, something they posted that really catches my interest. Maybe they went to a restaurant, they went on vacation, they went to a certain business that you frequent, they bought something super cool. Whatever it happens to be, I'm going to send them a message related to their recent experience. Maybe they went to a play, or they had some fun outing, right? And I'm going to talk to them about that. Hey, I saw you purchased. I saw you went. I saw you experienced this. How was it? I'm very curious. It looks like a super amount of fun. I'm thinking about doing something similar. Get into conversation. Don't talk about real estate. Just get into conversation. Get into flow with them about what's going on with them, what's important in their lives. By doing that, the power of reciprocity, one of the most powerful techniques to influence people, will kick in. Not because you're forcing it, just because it's natural. People will say, what's going on with you? And you can talk a little bit about what's going on with you in your life, in your real estate business, and it will just lead to conversation. Remember that people refer friends. Friends refer friends. And what you're trying to do is elevate relationships that may be down here just kind of bubbling up to here, where they think, hey, you know what? I like Jim. I like doing business with that guy. I like the way that guy, operates. I just enjoy talking to him. He seems like a cool guy. And then they hear the words real estate. Hey, you should talk to Jim. I know this, my buddy Jim, he can help you. That's the way that top producers operate. They have a system that they're working. It's organic, it's authentic, and they really care about people. And what happens is people start to refer them because they're reaching out and they're just having conversations. Think about how many conversations you're having every day. If you want to have more transactions, more closings flow from the result of more conversations. Conversations equal closings. So that 20 messages a day strategy, just try it for the next 5 days, 20 messages a day, so there'll be 100 messages in a week, and then tell me what the results are. I'd love to hear how powerful you made this system happen for you and what you have received as a result of doing this simple process. Guys, if you want more simple ideas that are implementable in your market today, check out the Path Performance Coaching system we have over at eRealEstateCoach. It's a system we've worked on for years. We've got 20 straight weeks of coaching, hundreds and hundreds of lead generation ideas, paired with hundreds and hundreds of downloads you can use in real time. Plus, we give you 3 live coaching sessions every single week, and the first 2 weeks is absolutely free. So go over there and check it out. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day and good selling.